Hello, in this video, we will see how to integrate the Amazon Lex Chatbot into your website using Kommunicate. For this you need a Kommunicate account. If you don't have one, please sign up for free using the link given in the description. Kommunicate helps health and wellness businesses create excellent digital customer experiences through its chatbots. Go to the Bot Integration tab and select Integrate from the Amazon Lex option. Instructions are given here as well. You need to enter your access key ID and secret access key. To get it, go to the IAM console. Make sure you have logged into your AWS account. Here we need to create a user. Click on Users here. Now click on Add Users to create a new user. You can give a username and set a password to it. Let's give KM_April06 as a username for this tutorial. While setting permissions, select the Attach Policies Directly option. The permissions are given here on the Kommunicate dashboard for your reference. You can search for it by pasting the permissions name here. Select these two permissions from the list. Once both are selected, click on Next. You can review the details here and click on Create User. If you want to save this data to your computer, you can download this CSV file. Now return to the users list and select the user that you have created. Here, KM_April06, click on it. Select the Security Credentials tab and then scroll down. Click Create Access Key. Choose Third-Party Service here and check this box. You can give a description tag, which is optional. Now you have got your access key and secret access key. Make sure that you download this CSV file because later you may not be able to access these two values. Now paste these two values into the Kommunicate dashboard's fields. While selecting the region, make sure you give the same one as mentioned in your Lex console. As you can see, this is how you can check the region. Select the bot that you want to integrate and choose the alias as well. Click on Save and Proceed. Here you can alter the name and give your bot a new avatar. Once chosen, click on Save and Proceed. You can either enable or disable this bot-to-human handoff feature depending on your requirement. Here, you can select to let this bot handle all conversations if you want this bot to handle all your queries, else select I'll set it up later. In case you are wondering how to set it up later, go to Settings and then the Conversation tab. Select Rules here. Here enable this toggle for Assign New Conversations to Bot and choose the desired bot from the list. You can test the bot from your console in the Manage Bot section. Congrats! You have successfully integrated your Amazon Lex Chatbot with Kommunicate. You can install this chat widget on your website by following the instructions given here in the Install section under Settings. Please drop comments if you have any queries. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated.